SLIC Finance is a British financial solution funded by the central government. It enables public sector organisations, for example local authorities and parish councils, to improve their energy efficiency and reduce their carbon emissions. It provides 100% interest-free capital for the public sector to reduce its energy costs by installing modern, energy-efficient technologies and replacing dated, inefficient and carbon-intensive technologies. In the beginning of the project, Suffolk County requests the researchers to look into different SLIC finance solutions. Because of the contact of one of the researchers with SLIC, Suffolk was approached by SLIC and now can use the recycling fund. The fund requires the public body to put into the fund a sum ring-fenced for energy efficiency, and SLIC matches the funding. Because of the increasing energy prices in the UK, this fund has been a good opportunity for Suffolk to invest in its public lighting and save money for the county council. Sometimes central governments have special programs under which local governments are encouraged to green the local infrastructure. In France, there are many projects to switch from fossil fuels to renewable or nuclear energy to help reaching goals set by the Paris Climate Agreement to reduce carbon emissions and even reach net zero in 2050. Programs and subsidies of central governments can be an incentive for municipalities to make their infrastructure more energy efficient and less carbon intensive. The government of the metropolitan area of Amiens has set itself the goal of electrifying public transport and invest in other initiatives to reduce carbon emissions. Amiens chose a commercial area to invest in a greener public lighting infrastructure. The funding for that was a combination of government money and the funds from the European Interreg Fund that funded the investments and the research of the smartlightconcepts project. We conclude with summing up the final research decisions on the funding. For Roeselare, we experimented with ESCO and the EPC. For Veurne, we looked at public-private partnership and its opportunities. For Bruges, we looked at the combination of the annual budget and the investment for Fluvius. Etteleur looked at green loans, and with Mechelen and Fluvius, we looked at the green bonds. Suffolk County profited from the contact we made with SLIC, and Amiens project was a combination of central government incentives and their own efforts to electrify the city. There is a large incentive for greening the infrastructure and making it more climate and net zero proof. But there is coming more pressure from local, national and European legislation for making the European economy more resilient given the global warming. Also, because of the Sustainable Finance Action Plan and disclosure regulation, banks and auditors are becoming more involved as supervisors of this process towards a greener economy. The biggest bottleneck is that because of the COVID crisis and the current energy costs, governments have a lot of debt and less money to invest in greening the infrastructure. I hope you enjoyed this video and can apply some of our lessons learned during our smart lighting project. Thank you for watching.